Adding a turntable to your home theater system is a great way to enjoy music in its most original form. But with all the available options, choosing a new one can be a bit confusing. In this video, we'll go over the different parts of a turntable, as well as what additional components you may need to help you make the right choice. And remember, if you still have questions after the video, our experts are here 7 days a week to help with your selection. First, we'll take a look at the different parts of a turntable and talk a little bit about what they do. Starting off is the plinth. This is the base of the turntable, and it's generally made from plastic on lower priced models and wood on higher end options. Having a solid base is essential for better sound quality. Next is the platter. This is the part your record will sit on while it spins. The mass of the platter will increase as you go up in price and quality, as this helps stabilize speed and control vibration. Then you have the tone arm. This J or S-shaped piece is generally made from materials like aluminum or carbon fiber, has an adjustable balance weight on the back, and holds the cartridge. The cartridge is the part that holds the stylus, otherwise known as the needle, in place on the record's surface and comes in two types, moving magnet or moving coil. Moving coil cartridges are generally considered by audiophiles to be the better choice since they're capable of picking up higher frequencies because they're lightweight, but they're also more of an investment and require a better preamp to work properly. Moving magnet cartridges typically have a lower cost and work with a wider variety of equipment, but can struggle to pick up the more subtle tones on a record. The stylus, or needle, picks up the sound by tracking the grooves on a record. Just like cartridges, there are different types. The most common is spherical, then you have elliptical, shibata, and micro ridge. As you move up in type, the sound quality generally gets better with higher frequency and lower bass pickup. Finally, you have the controls. These will generally include a power button, a speed control button, and in the case of automatic turntables, a play-stop control. Most records are manufactured to play back at 33 1/3 or 45 revolutions per minute. Occasionally you'll find one that requires 78 RPMs, but those aren't as common. Now that you know a little bit about the parts, here's some additional information that will help you determine what pieces you may need to complete your system. Because turntables are not typically a standalone product, in most cases you'll need an amplifier and preamplifier. In most lower cost models, the preamp is built into the turntable, which allows you to plug the turntable directly into your receiver or powered speakers without needing any other accessories. As you move up in quality, you'll likely need to add both a separate preamp and amplifier. Speakers are the final piece of the puzzle. The better quality speakers you add, the nicer your music will sound. Powered speakers have become a very popular option, as a lot of them have all the components you'll need built right into them. If you're new to turntables, in addition to watching this video, it's a great idea to speak with a professional to ensure you're setting yourself up for success. The experts at APT are here 7 days a week to help with any questions you may have and can be contacted by phone, email, or chat online if you don't live close enough to visit us in person. Thanks for watching.